Reg Hall looks after one of Blue Circle's giant 204 kilns. It's part of a hot, dusty, 24-hour process which turns locally quarried limestone and shale into 600 bags of cement per kiln per hour. But when Reg escapes home, he has a wall-to-wall kiln of his own to look after.
Well, there's your nodulizer pans going, followed by your grate bed.
And there's a big conveyor going along there.
There's a conveyor carrying the material into the kiln itself. There we have the kiln rotating, followed by the cooler itself going.
Another conveyor in there. Oh yes, there we are.
And then finally the coal mill.
I mean, how many parts have you used?
Oh, I've no idea at all, you see, Richard. But I can tell you this, there's about 8,000 nuts and bolts in it.
8,000?
Yeah.
My goodness. And how long has it taken you to build it?
About 14 months, I would say, on and off. You know, it's, you have to stop sometimes to figure out how you're going to do the next bit.
Because I suppose being a Meccano purist, you can't just go and drill a hole, can you?
Oh, no, I wouldn't like that at all, you know. It's, although you say I'm a purist, I have in actual fact used non-standard nuts and bolts in some cases because I just couldn't get them when I wanted them.
But you haven't drilled any holes?
Oh, no, nor bent anything.
Meccano sets in the shops aren't cheap. I mean, how much do you reckon it's worth?
Well, I would say roughly about £2,000 worth in this model, give or take a couple of hundred.
One thing I have noticed, up at the works, the kiln has got a sort of chimney on it. Now here you haven't, so it isn't exactly the same, is it?
Oh, well, the wife wouldn't have a 3-foot hole in the bedroom ceiling, floor, you see, because if I go through this ceiling into our bedroom, it's just about where she steps out of bed in the morning, you know.
Yeah.
As for Barbara Hall, she has one ambition, to help Reg dismantle the kiln. Her escape, Cilla Black, and she has 120 Cilla records to drown the whirrings of Reg's kiln.